welcome back to the Fire and Water Cooking Channel. I'm Darren, of course, and today we're going to do a quick unboxing, and we're going to use this Ultrean food dehydrator. It's an Amazon top choice pick, and I picked this thing up a couple weeks ago. Just now having a chance to open this thing up, take a look at it. One of the reasons I got it is because it's got 8 levels to it. It's got 8 racks, and it was a top pick on Amazon. Got really good reviews. So give me a second. We're going to get this thing out of the box, get it set up, and we're going to use it. I'll be right back.
Smoking, grilling, getting hot and hotter, sous vide and chilling from fire and water.
All right, guys, before I get this out of the box, I just want to show you, here's some of the reasons why I got this dehydrator here. It got, like I said, really strong reviews on Amazon. It was a top choice pick. It's got an auto shut off feature on there. It's got overheat protection, so you don't have to worry about it overheating and burning up your food. Adjustable time and temp, food grade stainless steels trays and all that. But it's also got 8 shelves in here, so it gives you plenty of room and plenty of room for food. So we're going to do jerky on this for the first thing. It's got a digital readout on here, so that's good. We're going to go ahead and set this thing up, get it out of the box, and we're going to do beef jerky right out of the box. All right, guys, I got it out of the box, and I just want to kind of show you what comes in it. Okay, so here's everything. Just came out of the box. So you got your unit itself, which you can see it's pretty good size, holds a lot of food. You got your 8 stainless steel racks here. Also comes with a plastic mesh and a fruit, they call this a fruit rollout tray. So I guess when you want to put your really thin fruits on there to make like fruit roll-ups. Comes with your user's guide here and a recipe book. Gives you ideas on what to use your dehydrator for. So that's everything that's in the box. Very simple, very basic. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and wash this up, just kind of clean it up a little bit. We're going to turn it on and we're going to set it up to do some jerky. All right, I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys. So one of the issues I had with this, and that's, you know, really not its fault, it's just the way I have it, where I have it sitting right now, is that the cord is kind of short. It's maybe only about 2 feet long. So it's really meant to be sitting on top of a counter or something that has a outlet really close by. So I had to kind of move it around a little bit so I can get a good angle without having to drag an extension cord out here. So I did get it all wiped down. I got my meat getting ready in there. I got my trays drying off. So before I even put the meat in though, I'm gonna go ahead and set my temperature. So first of all, hit the your temperature gauge here. Oh, hit your power. Hit power first to turn it on. Then you hit your temperature gauge and it's gonna flash up. So I'm gonna actually set this to 167. And then we're going to go to the clock and we're going to do, I don't want to do 10 hours, I want to do like 6 hours here. We're going to do 6 hours and we're going to go ahead and get this thing started. So we're just going to hit start. And there we go. It's heating up and it's going to start counting down once it gets hot. I can see the fan going inside, I'm sure you can. So I'm going to go load up my trays and go ahead and stick them in there. By the time I bring the trays out here, it should be heated up just fine. All right, I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm ready to put the jerky in. Now, like I said, one of the reasons I got this was the sheer size, because it has 8 full racks. Now, I've got about almost 3 pounds of top round that I pounded down and marinated for jerky, and it's only taken up 5 trays. The trays are pretty good size. So I'm gonna space these out a little bit different. So I'm not gonna have them all kind of right next to each other. So that's gonna make it better for these to dry a little quicker. So to see, that one doesn't even have a full tray. So I'm gonna skip a shelf there, put this one in. Helps if you turn them the right way. And there you have it, guys. I will see you in about 6 hours. We'll check on them, see how this is going. It's at 167 right now, it says. So I'll see you guys in about 6 hours. We'll see how this turned out. Well, all right, guys. It's been right at about 4.5 hours or so. It says it's got 2 hours left. I checked on it just a minute ago, and it seemed like it was done to me. We'll go ahead and pull one of these out. Yeah, this one's got a little bit of fat on it, but it looks pretty dehydrated. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. It tells you to, there you go, that's a good one. It tells you to go ahead and wrap it up in foil and kind of put it back in there for another 10 or 20 minutes so it can kind of marinate and finish cooking. And that's what we're going to do. But so far, guys, this works really, really well. I'll go ahead and take a bite of this one right here. You can tell that's pretty good. Yep, that's great taste. Did a really great job. Like I said, 4 to 7 hours it says on regular beef jerky. And this has been like right at about 4.5 or so. Great job. Check it out. Ultrean stainless steel food dehydrator. Works great. See you on the next fire and water cooking video. Thanks, guys.